Hi everyone, this is Oğuz from Masiwa Group. Today we are in Basiskele, ازميت, KOCAELİ. I will show you a 3+1 duplex apartment with this amazing sea view. As you see, you have a very clear view of the sea and it's very close to the Basiskele beach. Let's explore our apartment together. Here, our terrace goes all the way up to this corner, and let's get to inside. Here our bedroom. As you see, there is a little elevation but enough room for bed and for cabinets, and also here you can put your cabinets. Let's continue. And here is the bathroom. As you see, the shower box, and there will be the WC and faucets and everything, and you can put your washing machine here. Here is our second room. As you see, it also has a nice clear view. Let's get the ground floor. Here is the actual entrance of the apartment. As you see, when you enter the apartment, here is the electrical toilet for our guests. Here is our living room, decorated with these frameworks, and there is a balcony. Also there is a nice and big one, and you have also sea view from here. As you see, let me zoom a little bit. We have also sea view from this side and also this side. Yeah, let's continue. Window looking inside. There's a nice clear view. Here is another room, third room, and the ground floor. As you see, it's a nice and big one. And here is our kitchen. As you see, you have also storage in your kitchen under the stairs, as you see, and the kitchen cabinets will be applied. And you have a balcony in the back side. It's also a big one, and you are not so close with the neighbors. It has an open view also. For now, this is all for about this apartment. Please call for more information. Have a nice day.